how to reset camera settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon and click on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down scroll down to end. You will see reset setting is here. So if you want to reset camera settings, so click on reset settings. So you will see reset camera setting is here. So if you want to reset camera settings, so click on reset. So after click on reset, so it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can reset camera settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.